Over the past couple of months, we've been telling you about the vast improvement over the facilities and the services over at Broadlawns Medical Center. And we do have Dr. Michelle Mackey joining us in studio right now. She's a pediatrician from Broadlawns, talking about all the really neat things you have to offer over at Broadlawns when it comes to pediatrics.
Yes.
Well, first of all, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Now tell us a little bit about yourself before we get going.
Sure. So I am a military brat, kind of grew up all over, and kind of stopped off in Iowa, went to UNI, go Panthers, for undergrad, and then went to A.T. Still University, Kirksville College of Osteopathic Medicine for medical school, and then came to Des Moines for residency.
So what led you to Broadlawns, or why do you enjoy being at that particular location?
I'm new to the Broadlawns family, been there about 3 months now. Came because of the mission and the values and just the wonderful work that we are doing there at Broadlawns.
And what led you to be a pediatrician? What interested you?
Yeah, so many things. I'll try to keep it short, but kids are wonderful. As a pediatrician, you have the opportunity to do a lot of preventative medicine and help families. You can impact future generations by taking care of kids and, you know, being a resource for families, answering their questions, and doing a lot of preventing, you know, diseases and such that happen when you're older.
We're very blessed here in Central Iowa that we have many options of places to go, but why would people want to check out Broadlawns? First of all, letting people know that they have that option as far as pediatric care, but why Broadlawns? Why should people go check out your facility? I know we have some images of what the offices look like, but why should people be heading over there?
Definitely. So you're right, there are many different places you can go. Broadlawns is like family. I'm very proud of our staff, first of all. We have brand new facilities, and I know we'll have some images of those.
Right there they are. They're popping up on the screen as we're speaking.
Wonderful. So our facility opened in 2011, thanks in part to a generous donation from the Variety Club. So thank you to that for them. Nice. But we have brand new facilities, as you can see there.
Look at the
it's fun. It's kid friendly. We've got some paintings on the ceiling, so when they're laying down being examined, there's something to look at. We've got fun tables, so it's less of a scary experience for them as well. But our staff is wonderful, from the front desk, our registration and secretary, to our nursing staff, to the providers that care for the kids there. We really want to know your child, know the history, know your family, be there to be a resource and an advocate. We do take care of kids birth through age 18. We do all sorts of things from well child checks, preventive care, immunizations, sick visits if your kid has a runny nose or a cough or ear infection, but also the chronic diseases, the kiddos with more complex medical history and those sorts of things.
Medicine for adults is really completely different than medicine. I mean, children are like an alien species in the terms of medicine. Really are different. So having someone who specializes like you is important, isn't it?
It is, because kids are not little adults. They have their own stages, their own developmental stages that they go through, and it's important to know what normal is and what abnormal is, and be able to kind of pick that up to come alongside families to optimize the growth and development of the kids. So,
now it seems the more we learn about Broadlawns, the more incredible a facility it seems to have become.
It is. It's wonderful. I'm excited to be a part of the family there.
So if people want to check it out, if they want to book an appointment, how would they go about doing something like that?
So you can call. We're accepting new patients all the time. We accept all forms of insurance. Our phone number is 515-282-2700.
What are you seeing this time of year? Is it the typical stuff? Anything surprising when you have kids coming in?
You know, right now it's a lot of colds, ear infections, and some lower respiratory tract infections as well, bronchiolitis, those sorts of things.
How is the flu looking in terms of how that's?
You know, we haven't seen a lot of it at Broadlawns. I know that some of the other hospitals, the Children's Hospital is seeing a lot of that right now too, and there have been 4 deaths this year already, children deaths from influenza. So just getting your flu vaccine is important.
Now, what about hours in case somebody that maybe a child is not feeling well, and now Broadlawns is on their radar of a place to go,
definitely.
to get some care. So what kind of hours are we
are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
That sounds great. Well, thank you so much. You did a
Thank
good
you.
job.
Wonderful to meet you.
Matter of fact, it's such a good job. Animal Rescue League Apple for you for
Wonderful.
doing a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Parting gift.